Hi everyone. Hope you're having a good day. If for any reason you're not at the moment, I promise you, at the end of this video, you'll be smiling. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can enjoy a decadent apple dessert cake at home, baked from scratch. Let's get baking. We'll be using 6 medium-sized plump and succulent red apples, cleaned, peeled, cut and diced into small pieces. That's our apples ready for use. Now, into a mixing bowl, measure in 2 cups of flour. I've already sifted the flour. Then add half a cup of sugar, sifting 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, crack the eggs and add to the dry ingredients in the mixing bowl. We are going to use 6 medium-sized fresh eggs for this dessert. Pour in 1 cup of vegetable oil. Mix it all together using a whisk. Then add the apples. Now you use a spatula to fold in the apples. Pour it into your already prepared baking dish. Bake in a 200 degrees preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean and dry. Our cake is ready and slightly cooled. Always allow your cake to cool down a bit in the pan before removing from the pan. How yummy does this look? It's so golden on the outside, yet moist and creamy on the inside. And it smells heavenly too. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video when I upload. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying these desserts. You will love it if you do. There you have it. Yummy apple dessert cake. Delicious meal from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching. Bye.